Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be PR unboxing video, and I love making these videos, guys. I love watching videos like this, and I'm sure you love watching them as well. And I received like a lot of new products. As you can see, there is a lot of new products. Okay guys, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, Pixi Beauty sent me their all skincare products. Their rose face oil, which is my favorite. I use this like every day. I used it today before doing my makeup. Also, they sent me their rose cleanser, their rose cream. By the way, all the products were in this beautiful like a skincare bag. Which is amazing, and I'm going to use this like bag when I'm traveling or just for my vacation. And this is really amazing, and I'm so obsessed. Like literally, Pixi Beauty is sending the most beautiful PR packages. Also, they sent me their rose toner, which is amazing. As you can see, I already used this one. It's really calming. It's not irritating my skin. It's very like comfortable. It makes my skin really like calm. I use this literally every day, and this is amazing. Also, this one is from Pixi. This is their Rose Glow like face mist, which is amazing. I love this product. It's really moisturizing, it's nourishing, and it makes your skin glowy, and this is amazing. I love it. Also, they sent me their Rose makeup removing wipes. These were amazing. Like literally, they are really gentle on the skin, but in the same time they smell amazing, and they were removing my makeup like without like any issues. Also, their rose setting spray. I used this already in a few of my videos, and these products are amazing. Literally everything which smells like roses I am obsessed with. I love the smell of roses. This is my favorite scent when it comes to skincare, and I love these products. And thank you, Pixi Beauty, for sending me these amazing products. Okay guys, the next package is from Callie. They sent me their brightening glycolic night cream, which is amazing. I use this cream a lot. It's really amazing. It's luxurious. It smells so good, and also it makes my skin smooth, and like literally this is one of my favorite products. It has glycolic, and it's really amazing. If you want to try a night cream that really works, you should try this. Also, they sent me this cream, which I used already before. This is their moisturizing sorbate. This cream is very lightweight. This is more like a everyday moisturizer. It's perfect for the summertime. It's very lightweight, and I love it. Also, my favorite beauty elixir from Callie. It's amazing. It comes in this a limited edition beautiful packaging. As you can see, it's like pink and ombre. It feels so luxurious, and I love this. Like this is perfect for like setting your makeup or just spraying your face. I love using this as a skincare product, and also I love using this before applying my makeup. And thank you, Callie, for sending me these products. These are amazing. Okay guys, in this video you're going to see a lot of Pixi products. They sent me their peel and polish like facial scrub with papaya and enzymes. Also, they sent me their glow glycolic boost face mask. I used one of this. It's amazing. And also they sent me their glow mud mask, which I used already. It's pretty good. And also the T-zone peel off mask, which I used a few times, and I love it. It really cleans my pores, and my skin looks and feels clean, and I love this. Thank you for these products, Pixi Beauty. I love all of Pixi Beauty skincare products, and they're amazing. Okay guys, the next package is from Pixi again. They sent me their glow like collection. This is their like they just extended the glow toner line, and they now have glow toner cleansing. They have now glow toner cleanser. They also sent me this glow toner, which I already used like a lot, and I love this product. They sent me this balancing moisturizing cream. Also this on the glow stick. This is a glow stick which you can use as a moisturizer or to highlight your face, and I'm really excited to try these products. Also, I already used this in one of my videos. This is their glow toner serum. I love this. It's really brightening and it smells amazing. I love it. Okay, the next PR package is from Canon Austin. This is a luxurious brand which is available at Sephora. I used these two products already. I used this one as well one time. I used this only once. This is their like guaiacolic skincare product. This one is with 10% guaiacolic. This one is with 30% guaiacolic. These are really like deeply exfoliating products. Also, I received their mattifying primer with SPF, which is amazing. I love these products, and thank you for sending me these products. Okay guys, also Biore sent me their Witch Hazel facial cleanser. They sent me their Witch Hazel pore clarifying cleanser. This is amazing. Like, this is just perfect for the summer, for the hot weather. It makes your skin really like you feel fresh after using this cleanser, and your products are really amazing, and I love this cleanser. Also, they sent me the Biore Witch Hazel pore clarifying toner and the Biore Witch Hazel nose strips. These are amazing. Like, literally they are cleaning your nose from any, like, you know, pimples and things like that. This is amazing, and thank you for this products. Okay guys, the next package is from Pixi. They sent me their new vitamin C skincare collection. This collection is including the vitamin C serum, the vitamin C lotion, which is my favorite. I use this every day. Also the vitamin C cleanser, the vitamin C toner, and the vitamin C balm, which is like face mask, but I love the face lotion. This is amazing. This is very lightweight, it smells amazing, and it's really moisturizing, and I love it. Thank you for these products. Okay guys, also I received a PR package from Lancome. They sent me their bifacial eye makeup remover, which is amazing. I use so many like makeup removers, and this one is the best for removing your eye makeup. This removes even like the most like let's say like intense and bold makeup, and it's really moisturizing. It's not irritating my eyes. This is really gentle, and I love this product. Thank you. Also, they sent me their perfume. This is their Alavi Belle perfume. I love this. This smells really sweet and really like lightweight. It's very light, and I love it. And also they sent me their Teint Idol Ultra Wear color correcting correctors. Thank you for these products. Okay, the next package is from Alavi. They sent me their Pro Collagen Marine Cream, which is amazing. These products are really expensive. These are luxurious, but they work amazingly. You will see results on the next day. This is amazing. Also, they sent me their Pro Collagen Overnight treatment, which is even more expensive and even more effective. I love this product. And the Pro Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This is like a serum eye cream, and these products are amazing. Thank you for these products. I love them, and I highly recommend these products. Okay guys, the next package is from Briogeo. They sent me their Don't Despair Repair shampoo, and they sent me their Don't Despair Repair shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. Also, don't despair repair deep conditioning mask. These products are amazing. I use this shampoo like literally every day. I love it. These are all natural. I love natural products and skincare products and hair products, and these are amazing. And thank you, I love them. And yes, I love these products. Also, they sent me their volumizing powder. I used this already a few times and this is amazing. All the Briogeo products are natural, and this is like a dry shampoo for your hair. It's literally transforming your hair. I used this already and this is making like your hair really shiny. You can't like, you don't have any residue or like you know, like powder, or it makes your hair like really volumized, and this is amazing. Also, they sent me their heat protecting cream for blow drying my hair. I love these products, and if you have dry like hair, you will love even more. My hair is like normal, but I like these products. Thank you. And I really like all the Briogeo products, and I highly recommend these products. Thank you. Okay, the next package is from Real Techniques. They sent me their everyday essentials face brushes, and also the Real Technique Miracle Complexion blending sponge. This is amazing. Like, I love this sponge for like applying my foundation and blending my concealer. And these brushes are like, they're like best brushes in a set. You can buy this eye brush set for $90, and the Real Technique brushes are really amazing, and I already use their brushes for years and they're amazing. The quality is amazing and the price is amazing. And yes, thank you for these brushes. I really love these brushes. Thank you. Okay guys, the next package is from Ardell. They sent me like all of their eyelashes, their wispies, also foaming, their individual eyelashes. Also, they sent me their lash applicator and the new quick set lash glue. And these eyelashes are really beautiful. I wear the eyelashes in the style of wispies today. They're really beautiful, as you can see. And Ardell eyelashes are really like comfortable. Like literally, they're like really lightweight. I really love these eyelashes, and also you can find this at Ulta and Target and online in so many like different stores, and the price is really like amazing. And I really like Ardell eyelashes, and thank you for these eyelashes. Also, they sent me their lip glosses, and I'm really excited to try this lip glosses, to try these lip products and see if they're really like good, because I like the eyelashes, and probably I'm going to like the lip glosses too. And yes, thank you. Okay guys, and these are all the products which I received currently from all these different brands. And yes guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe if you are not already. And love you. See you next time. Bye.